Is your wallet behind your seat?
Yes.
Okay. So you, sir, could you step out and grab your own wallet behind your seat? That's another violation.
What violation?
Driving without a license? Do you have anything provided from the state of Texas for you to be operating a motor vehicle
So you're
on
saying
public roadway? I'm not done.
You're
on
saying
public roadway for the state of Texas.
Let me talk.
I'm not done
Let
with
me
my
talk.
question.
You're saying I need a Texas driver's license to drive here.
Do you have one? Do you have one issued to you?
That's what I gave you. That's what I'm giving you.
The officer tailed the driver for miles before claiming he failed to signal 100 feet before turning. Texas Transportation Code Section 545.104b states, an operator intending to turn a vehicle right or left shall signal continuously for not less than the last 100 feet of movement of the vehicle before the turn. Dashcam footage shows the signal activated well within the legal distance, proving the stop was a fishing expedition with no lawful basis. This manufactured violation allowed the officer to escalate a routine encounter into a full detention without any observed infraction. The driver's own recording confirms the officer followed him from a distant intersection, searching for any pretext to initiate contact. Such predatory policing erodes public trust and violates the Fourth Amendment's protection against unreasonable seizures.
Step out of the vehicle.
Okay.
And grab your wallet behind your seat. What's wrong with the directions that I'm giving you? Is your wallet behind here?
Yeah.
Okay. Please grab your wallet so you can identify yourself. Any weapons in the vehicle?
Oh yes,
like
yes, definitely.
Like what?
Weapons.
Okay, like what? Sir, what kind of weapons are in the
I have
vehicle?
my license in the front.
Oh, so it's in the front now. Okay.
Yeah.
Is that your wallet? All right, let's step over here to my car, please. Is there a reason for two phones? Are you recording?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Doesn't matter if I'm recording.
I'd like an answer. You don't have
Well, it
anything
doesn't matter
from
what
Texas?
you like. No.
No?
I don't carry a license from Texas.
So you're driving without a license from Texas. That's another
What?
violation.
What violation?
Driving without a license? Is this a license?
Can you read?
Do you understand English?
Can you read?
I can read.
Okay.
Do you have anything provided from the state of Texas for you to be operating a motor vehicle
So you're
on
saying
public roadway? I'm not done.
You're
on
saying
public roadway for the state of Texas.
Let me talk.
I'm not done
Let
with
me
my
talk.
question.
You're saying I need a Texas driver's license to drive here.
Do you have one? Do you have one issued to you?
That's what I gave you. That's what I'm giving you.
I'm simply asking if you have one issued by the state of Texas.
I don't. That's what I use.
Okay. How many kids do you have in the vehicle?
Doesn't matter how many kids you have.
Okay. Is there a reason why you gave me this and not your Texas driver's license?
No, what Texas driver's license.
Okay.
That's all I'm answering now.
So where are you coming from?
It doesn't matter where I'm coming from.
2 phones necessary?
Yeah. For me, yes. Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm on. That's on. Everything's on.
That's good.
Okay. Just stay here and don't move, okay? Thank you.
She explain everything to you, sir?
I mean,
No shoes on today, huh?
huh?
No shoes on today, huh?
I usually carry shoes, but they were
Yeah.
drying, so.
Yeah. Well, I can't walk around barefooted.
Me neither. So,
I
but
got
she,
tender feet.
me neither. But she wanted for me to get out. I don't know why.
Okay.
She was being difficult.
My understanding is you said that when she asked you if you had any weapons in the car.
Any weapons in the vehicle?
Oh
Anything like
yes,
that?
yes, definitely. No, that was after she ordered me out.
Okay.
So
But you're reaching around stuff like that, and you
No,
and
my-
you told
my-
her that there was tons of weapons in the car.
Any weapons in the vehicle?
Oh
Anything
yes,
like
yes, definitely.
that? Like what?
Weapons.
Okay, like what? Sir, what kind of weapons are in
I
the
have my
vehicle?
license in the front.
Oh, so it's in the front now. Okay.
Why are you being so sarcastic?
I'm asking
Why?
you. I'm
Why? Why do you
clarifying.
have to be like that?
Is that your wallet? All right, let's step over here to my car, please.
Tons of
Or
weapons.
what was the wording that you said?
So is she making stuff up now or what?
Everything's recorded, so it doesn't. You know what I mean? That's why you asked me why she was asking out of the car. That's the reason. That's the reason that was. Okay, so what she's going to do, she's going to write you some tickets for the traffic violations, and you get on your way. Okay? Well, I don't know which ones. Okay. So that's what
she was following me since all the way over there. I wasn't committing any violations. I mean, she just. I don't know.
Everything's on camera, so. Yeah,
hopefully.
Yeah. So what at the bottom?
I have my dash cam as well.
Yeah, perfect. So that's even better. So at the bottom of the ticket,
but now I have to go to court and fight.
Well, that's
bullshit.
That's your right, and no problem with that. So that's what I'm saying is at the bottom of the citation, there'll be the court, and you can contact them. You can provide them the cameras, all that kind of stuff. You can provide them the footage, whatever evidence that you want that you feel is contrary to what you think happened, and then that they can figure it out.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Sure.
So
why is she so afraid? Why does she need so many?
Look, I'm not going to get in. She asked for a supervisor to come here. Listen.
I never asked for a supervisor.
Okay, I didn't say you did. I said she did. I understand what you're doing. Okay. It's obvious to me. Right?
What's obvious?
You say things to try to get under. It's not going to work. All right. So if you want to say that she's trying to be tough and all that stuff, I get it, dude. I know the game. Right.
You know the game.
Right?
Okay. So it's a game now.
I'm just telling you. I know what's going on. Right.
Okay.
So don't worry about it. We'll get you on your way here in just a second. Just hang tight for us. I actually told you that you have every right to record. I haven't stopped you.
But why?
I'm fine with it. I'm recording.
But why do you need to say I'm playing a game? It's not a game.
Right, because what you're doing is you're saying things about the officer. I don't know why she's become a cop and things like that.
She started lying.
What I'm telling you is those are all digs to get under skin of police officers. We understand that's a process that people do.
She started lying. You said she got me out because I said there were weapons, and I was already out when she asked me for weapons.
So if you have a complaint, then we can review that later. You're welcome to call up to the police department, file a complaint. They can look at the dash cam video, and if you have a disagreement on that, then that's how that goes. All right?
I know.
So what I'm saying is
I know how this works.
Huh?
I already know how this works.
Yeah, I know, and that's why I'm saying the things like that to get under the skin, it ain't gonna.
I'm not trying to get under their skin. I mean, I'm just trying to be logic here.
Okay, sounds good. Sounds good.
Yeah, and she has a serious issue.
Well, you're welcome to file a complaint. If you have a complaint, it'll all the information for you to contact will be on there, and you can go from there. Okay. We'll be happy to look at it. You don't think I will?
You will, but you won't be happy to look at it.
I'll look at it. I'll look at it. I promise. I'll look at it.
All right.
It doesn't hurt me, right? That's what we're all here about. It's all about.
It won't hurt you.
Okay. Do you want me to call you or something afterwards?
No.
Follow up with you. Okay.
I don't know if I'm gonna make a complaint. I don't even live here. I'm just passing through.
All right. Where are you from?
Hey, what do you need over there? No. Hey, no, don't talk to him. Why is he asking for?
We'll get there.
I can explain that. So you don't have a driver's license.
Hey, sir,
don't let us.
Sir.
I'm explaining why. Is your rincon? You don't have a valid driver's license?
I do. I just gave it to you.
It's expired. This is not a Texas driver's license.
You don't need a Texas driver's license to drive here.
Texas law explicitly allows non-residents to operate a vehicle using a valid driver's license issued by their home state or country. Texas Transportation Code, Section 521.025, A states, a person who is not a resident of this state may operate a motor vehicle in this state under a license issued by the state or country in which the person resides. Even foreign licenses are recognized if issued in English or accompanied by an English translation, with reciprocal agreements requiring every driver to carry a valid permit translated into English. Conditions the out-of-state ID in this stop fully satisfied. This shows the cops don't know the laws they are enforcing. After ordering the driver out barefoot onto hot pavement, the officer later told the sergeant she removed him because he admitted to weapons inside the vehicle. Texas Penal Code Section 37.08a provides, a person commits an offense if, with intent to deceive, he knowingly makes a false statement. In an official proceeding or to a public servant, body cam audio captures the weapons question asked after the driver was already outside, directly contradicting her sworn justification. This lie retroactively painted the driver as a threat to justify calling multiple backup units. The sergeant's arrival and acceptance of the falsehood enabled 4 patrol cars to swarm a nonviolent traffic stop. These fabricated safety concerns turned a minor citation into an armed standoff, endangering everyone involved.
You don't have your driver's license is expired.
You don't need a Texas driver's license.
So the reason why I'm asking
How are
to
you law
identify-
enforcement? You don't even know your laws. Oh my God. You need a retrainer, sir.
I hear you. All right. Can you just let her do her job and then we'll get
That's not her job.
Okay. I'm not here to argue anything about what jobs are and what jobs aren't.
So you're gonna write citations on every Mexican that comes in here, or every Canadian that drives here that's allowed to drive here.
We write citations for people that break the law.
So I'm breaking the law.
That's what she's saying. She witnessed you break the law. That's the reason she stopped you.
She's saying I don't have a valid license. She has my license in her hand.
She says that your license is expired.
Have you looked at it?
I have not.
And
All right. You do have a Texas driver's license, though, right?
I don't have a Texas driver's license.
Sure.
I don't have a. Who's saying?
The dispatch.
I presented that license, and that's the one I use.
Well, that's
This is only valid if you have a U.S. identification to go with it,
No.
not by itself.
You need to look at your transportation codes.
Licencia de conducir from Mexico. This is only valid with either.
You need to
passport or Texas.
retrain your Texas transportation
So
codes.
I need some identification. If not, he can't drive off on Texas roadway without a valid driver's license. I'd like to identify wife to see if she has a valid driver's license, so that way she can drive.
his driver's license through Texas is
Expired.
expired. Is it not? Is it like suspended?
Let me check the status.
Hello. Sorry about the sound, guys. Sorry about the sound. Let me know if you can hear me. Thank you. Yeah, she put me over because I turned my signal light before 100 yards or 100 feet, I don't know. But she was following me since way back. She was fishing for something, so she couldn't find anything, so she put me over for something that's not even true. So, and for some reason they need 4 cop cars for backup. I don't know why. You need to film always, because she ordered me out of the vehicle, and then she asked me if I had any weapons. I said yes. Then she asked what kind of weapons. I didn't answer. And when the sergeant got here, she lied, and she said she got me out because I said I had weapons. So if she can lie on that, imagine what else she lies on. Always record the police, remember, always. No, not only in Laredo, Steve. That's how they train. So not only in Laredo, they lie all over.
Okay, Mr. Lincoln. Do you have a phone number so that way the court can contact you?
No.
No? Okay. Okay, this is yours. Thank you. Okay. Court date is September 1st, anytime between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., okay? Citations, failed to signal within 100 feet, no driver's license, and expired driver's license. Okay?
You're ridiculous, you know that, right?
Sure.
Sure?
I've heard worse.
Sure?
I've heard worse. Here to sign is not an admission of guilt, just a promise that you'll take care of it with the court, okay? Any questions?
No, I'll handle you later on.
Okay. Do you recognize this as your signature? Signature?
I won't answer questions.
Okay. So let me give you your copy. You're free to go, okay? All the court information, address, phone number, website, email, if you need to contact the court, is in the back, okay? This is your copy. Y'all have a better day, okay? Be safe.
The officer repeatedly insisted a Texas driver's license was required to operate a vehicle on Texas roads despite accepting a valid out-of-state ID. Texas Transportation Code, Section 521.025 clearly states, "A person who is not a resident of this state may operate a motor vehicle in this state under a license issued by the state or country in which the person resides." She then issued citations for no driver's license and expired driver's license, while holding the valid document in her hand, committing official oppression under Texas Penal Code, Section 39.03 by knowingly subjecting the driver to an unlawful arrest and fines. Dispatch confirmed the license was active, yet she doubled down on the false charges. The citations forced the driver into court to defend against allegations the officer knew were baseless. This deliberate fraud wastes judicial resources and extorts compliance through fear of penalties. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.